What's going on, guys? I'm gonna do just a quick time-lapse video of me bedlining the bed for my Cummins. So we're going to be doing the inside of my new tailgate, so I will show that also. Everything prepped up. I'm going to be hitting the insides of here so it's nice and covered and not red anymore because the truck is now white. So yeah, stay tuned, and here's a time lapse. Video, we're here to talk about something that I messed up on a little bit. So painting the truck, everything went super good, but there's something that I messed up a little bit on, and I'm just gonna throw myself under the bus because why not? So I'll show you right now. Well, you're probably wondering what's wrong with the bed line. Nothing's wrong with the bed line. I actually had a problem, I think, with the clear coat when I did the bed, the last coat of the bed, and clear coat kind of peeled away with the tape. If you can see, can't really see it on camera. And then somehow the clear coat wasn't hard enough. There you can tell. And only thing I can come up with is I messed up mixing the paints. So when I did the bed liner, it was like 2 weeks later, and I peeled the tape off and it brought the clear coat up with it. So, and another thing, it kind of like textured the side of the box, and it's just not right. And it embedded plastic that I used to cover the box, and just the whole 9 yards. It's just completely effed. So right now, you're gonna see me sand down a fresh paint job. This is the second time I've done this because of small little things that got missed and should have took the time to rethink or redo. So just a reminder to everyone, slow down and think about it for a second. I mean, but I must have just missed something on the cup when I was mixing it, and ta-da, you have a messed up clear coat. I actually figured out what happened. The sealer that we used kind of got messed up and started to get chalky on the inside. We just went to try and use it for the box, and it's just completely messed up. I cleaned out the mix cup and it just kept turning into chalk, and that's pretty much what happened when I started to sand it. So
banned. That's all we can see is so banned.
Okay, I think that's the problem that we had there. Oh, sick. Okay, yay! See, I'm not even mad. It's just a matter of a little bit more work. Shit happens. Shit happens. It's all we can do. So, I'm gonna sand this sucker, and tomorrow it'll be painted again and everything else is painted, so that'll be great. All right guys, Hoodie Brothers Auto and Fabrication hats. This is a Richardson camo. I have black Yupong Classics coming since they're out of all black Richardson hats, but I will be dropping a link here soon and you guys will be able to get these. Let me know in the comments if you like it.